we will skip, as obviously it's clear what you're struggling with is just the mathematical techniques, right?
Yeah, like anything to do with math.
Maths. I
Yeah,
think I got that through your mother when she was talking to you. So I'll send this over to you after the lesson as a PowerPoint. Just in Skype, I can send it to you. See, it's kind of like quite interesting to know the history of it, but I won't bore you with that today. So there's the first few pages is like what is the SHL test. And we'll just skip through. You can read this later. With the numerical reasoning test, there's sort of three things on the line. There's accuracy, which is your mathematical ability. So data analysis is important, knowing how to kind of extract the information from the table and know what they want from you, actually, because you can spend a lot of time on these questions, like just looking at it blankly and going, I don't know what they want from me.
Yeah, even like the time is running out and I'm just like, stressed out, and then I just pick whatever just to go through.
If you're good at understanding tables and charts and you're not phased when you first look at them, your time will automatically get faster. Okay, so how much did he sell after the increase? So we take the value, which could be units, could be money, it could be population, could be anything, but 320 units, times it by what? It's an increase.
1.0.
Do we want to put it? Go on. Do we want to put a 4 there after the point?
Yeah.
No. That would be 40%. If you put a 4 there, 40% always reads as 1.40. You can kind of, like I said, you can see the 40 there. You can see the 40 on the other side of the decimal point because it's 40%. So how would we show 4%? 1.04, because you can see there's the 4, right? And then, of course, just whatever is on the other side of the decimal point, just put it behind the 4, right? Conquest and Mercury have predicted a 15% increase in the sales from August to September. So you would take your Conquest is in green. So you can see this is 27. You just go sort of 27 here. And Mercury, which is in red, this is 25. So these ones are both increasing by 1.15 because it's going up by 15% and it's an increase. So this is going to be 20 times 1.35, right? If you add all those up, I'm pretty sure you'll find your answer. Let's have a quick look. We could combine the 27 and 25 because they're both being multiplied by the same percentage. So 27 plus 25 times that by 1.15, which is going to give us 59. I'll just write that up here. 59.8. And then 20 times 1.35 gives us 27, right? And if you add 27 plus 59.8, you get 86.8. Does that make sense or not?
Yeah.
They chuck this one in to fool you because you've always got to read. This is where exam technique comes in. You've got to read the scale on the axes, right? This is, so we've got 86.8, which actually doesn't marry up with any of these, but you've got to times it by 10,000, haven't you?
Yeah.
86 times by 10,000, and there you have it, 868,000, which is exactly the answer, right?
Yeah.